Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn how to play Komal Swaras in flute. Okay, so there are 4 Komal Swaras, which are Komal Re, Komal Ga, Komal Dha and Komal Ni. And there is one Tivra Swara, which is Tivra Madhyam. We need to understand why it is Komal Swara, because it is coming before the Sudha Swara. Like Komal Swara, Komal Re is coming before Sudha Re, Komal Ga is coming before Sudha Ga, as Komal Dha and Komal Ni. And Tivra Swara is coming after the Shuddha Madhyam, Shuddha Swara. So that is the reason it is called Tivra Swara. Okay, let me show you how to play this Komal Swara. First we will learn Komal Dha and Komal Re. So if it is Sa, we will little bit open of this finger, a little open, very tiny little open. Make sure you are opening from this note. So we will say half note. Sa, if you say this finger Sa, then a little stretch is Komal Re, as Pa, and these will be Komal Dha. So let me show you. Okay, Sa, Komal Re and all other Shuddha. Sa, Komal Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Komal Dha and Ni and then Sa. It is Rag Bhairav. Third Bhairav we can say. And this third Bhairav, the Rag Bhairav we played. Now, Komal Ga and Komal Ni. This is Sa, it is Re. Komal Ga will be little open of half open of Ga, and Komal Ni is Pa, Dha. It will be opening from this side. It would be better. You can open sidewise, but I have seen comfortability will come if you play like this or close Sa Ni like this. Pa, Dha, Komal Ni and then Sa. Okay, Sa, Re, Komal Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Komal Ni, Sa. Let me show you. This is Kafi That. So, how many Komal Swara we played? I played all the Swara from Sa to Upper Sa. All the 7 Shuddha Swara and Komal Ga, Komal Re, Komal Dha, Komal Ni. 4 Komal Swara and 1 Tivra Swara. This movement is called chromatic note movement. Chromatic Swara. So I am playing it very gently. I hope this is clear to you now how to play Komal Re, Komal Ga, Komal Dha and Komal Ni and Tivra Ma. Tivra Ma we all know this will be all open notes are called Tivra Madhyam. So when I am playing Tivra, all finger will be up. That is for today. See you in another video. Thank you. Bye.